Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about this delicious Hydralyte electrolyte maintenance powder. It's my favorite. So this Hydralyte electrolyte maintenance powder is honestly so convenient. Because of the little packets that it comes in, it's very portable, which makes it really good for whether it's just you're going to throw it in your purse for the day, or if you're traveling. It's very easy to bring with you, and it really helps when fighting off dehydration. I also love that it dissolves very quickly. Just literally pour the water into it and it dissolves almost instantaneously, and it tastes delicious. I'm able to drink an entire glass right away because I actually really like the taste of it, and I find that it helps to rapidly rehydrate, and so it's just the perfect addition to always have with you. So that's why I love the Hydralyte, and I'm sure that you will too. And that's my point of view.